Crema is a digital product agency. We work with clients and our team to build digital solutions for our clients' needs.
We're primarily working with Sketch and InVision as designers here, but we're always exploring different tools and new things that are reaching the market. We've looked at Framer X and InVision Studio and different things like that. So we're always trying to be on the cutting edge of what's happening.
So I think our design team is really special because while we're all really good designers and problem solvers, we all have different strengths in different areas, and we have some overlap. So while we are each really good at something, we can rely on someone else to help us when they're stronger.
We're all really talented in both UI and UX, and as designers at Crema and as a company, we've decided not to separate those two and to make sure that all of our designers are very capable of designing really beautiful things, but also very usable things.
When I was onboarded at Crema, there was a lot of support from the other designers. And so because as you get a new job, there is always a learning curve. And for me, it was super easy to come on board because they were all very supportive, teaching me the process and how things work. One of the things that I love the most about Crema is the culture. The culture is very unique. It's results-based culture. It doesn't matter if I'm doing my work at 4 a.m., 11 p.m., or at 3 p.m., as long as I'm meeting my goals and completing my work. It doesn't matter where or when I'm doing it. As a working mom, that's super beneficial for me because I can plan my week ahead or my day ahead.
As a designer on these product teams, we're really trusted to quickly find the right solution for the end user and for the client. We're not given a set strict guidelines or workflows to follow. We're really just trusted to go out and figure out the best way to get this solved.
The leadership has done a very good job at managing relationships with our clients. Clients see us designers as partners. They see us as an important piece of the puzzle. I feel very proud of this team when I hear from clients where they say, hey, we attribute the success of our product to the Crema design that you provided. That work we do is meaningful. It's an amazing feeling to know that your work is out there doing something.
If you're a designer who's looking to find a place where you can grow and learn and really find your own path as a designer, Crema is definitely the best place to be.